Find your baby and explore toys in the mirror. This helps babies understand that the reflections are connected to the real world around them. Benefits: self-awareness. Mirror play helps babies learn that the reflection they see is their own, fostering an early sense of self. Visual tracking. Watching movements in the mirror encourages babies to follow actions with their eyes, improving visual tracking abilities. Social and emotional development. Interacting with their own reflection and yours can enhance babies' social skills and emotional understanding. Cognitive growth. The cause and effect realized through mirror play stimulate cognitive development and curiosity. Tips for a fulfilling mirror play experience. Keep mirror play sessions short but engaging, respecting your baby's attention span. Encourage interaction by being expressive and enthusiastic during mirror play. Regularly introduce new activities in front of the mirror to keep the experience fresh and stimulating. Always supervise your baby during mirror play to ensure safety and maximize interaction. Mirror play is a simple yet effective way to engage your baby's developing mind and foster a sense of self and connection. For more activities that promote your baby's cognitive, social, and emotional development, visit www.parentinggenie.com.au. Dive into our wide range of resources designed to support you and your baby through this incredible journey of growth and discovery.